channel. In this video, we review the Inverex Nitrox 5kW hybrid inverter on-grid, off-grid specification, price 2023. So today our video topic is Inverex Nitrox 5kW hybrid inverter on-grid, off-grid specification, price 2013. Price in Pakistan 3,56,000, 5kW watts, 5000 watts, Wi-Fi yes, max solar charging current 120 ampere. 5kW single phase inverter overview. The single phase on-grid inverter from the Inverex brand is capable of supplying extra solar energy to the grid station, and you can consume these units without paying the WABDA. The Inverex Nitrox 5kW hybrid inverter can support solar panels up to 6,500 watts. This dual MPPT model supports solar panels up to 600 wattage. Inverex 5kW inverter price in Pakistan 2013 is 3,56,000, and you can also get a special discount after the bargain. To control the functionality of this on-grid off-grid inverter, a touch screen panel is available. This top hybrid inverter model in Pakistan has many protections, including over-temperature, short circuits, overload, solar input lightning, and overcharge. You can also attach a generator with the single-phase 5kW inverter for supplying uninterrupted electricity to different types of equipment. You can control the functionality of this Inverex inverter and monitor its performance from the mobile application while connecting the device to the Wi-Fi. The application name is SolarMan app. Its smart battery charge design increases the lifespan of batteries. Sometimes due to the malfunction of a product and errors come which stop the functionality of an inverter. You can check the fault code table. The reason below. The MPPT range of this device is between 125 volt to 425 volt, and the battery voltage range is 40 volt to 16 volts. Smart inverter power can use to give electricity to different types of home appliances, including air conditioners, water pump, energy savers, light bulbs, fan, refrigerator, LCD, LED, laptop, mobile phone, and other home or office devices. A detailed user manual comes with the solar inverter. You should install the DC circuit breaker between the inverter and solar panels. It is built with an IP65 waterproof design which is resistant to bad weather. Inverex Nitrox 5kW hybrid inverter on-grid off-grid price in Pakistan 2013-23 and full specification. Model Nitrox 5kW hybrid inverter, capacity watts 5000 watts, phase single, max charging current 120 ampere, solar charger type MPPT, max DC input power 6500 watt, MPPT range 125 volt 425 volt, startup voltage 125 volt, DC voltage range full load 240 volt to 425 volt, charging curve 3 stages, battery type lead acid lithium ion, battery voltage range to 14 volt to 16 volt, charging strategy self adaptation to BMS lithium ion battery, panel supports each solar panel up to 600 watt, auto charge yes, auto restart yes, torch LCD yes, output power factor 1, anti rust kit yes, Wi-Fi yes, no load power consumption less than 14 watt, input voltage waveform, sinusoidal generator or utility, inverter cooling fan, noise 13 decibel. Installation wall mounted, AC output data, rated AC output 5000 watt, AC output rated current 21.7 ampere, max AC current 25 ampere, output frequency voltage 15 Hz to 16 Hz, current harmonic distortion 3%. Panels input data, max DC input power 6500 watt, MPPT range 125 to 425 volt, startup voltage 125 volt, number of MPPT trackers 2, PV input current 11 ampere to 11 ampere plus 11 ampere, transfer time 15 ms. I hope that you will get a lot of information from my video. So this is the first part of this video. The second part will upload into my channel as soon as possible. Allah Hafiz.